In the dynamic world of property management, safety and security are at the forefront. But how do you ensure protection for your tenants' possessions and your peace of mind? 2 words: renter's insurance. Welcome back, Loopers. I'm your host, Andrew Chung. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 renter's insurance companies and discovering how platforms like DoorLoop can simplify the insurance journey. As a disclaimer, I work for DoorLoop, and this video was produced by DoorLoop. While renter's insurance is not mandatory, it acts like a safety net. From liability for guest injuries to covering belongings in natural disasters and theft, it's the cushion every tenant and property manager needs. So let's take a look at the top 5 renter's insurance providers. First, we have Lemonade. They stand out with a strong digital approach, eliminating traditional paperwork hassles. From theft to fire to certain water damages, Lemonade has your tenants covered. Next, Sure, in partnership with Assurant, integrates seamlessly with property management software, making coverage and documentation effortless. Sure covers things like personal property, sewage or drain backup, and identity fraud expense. ResidentShield offers personalized policies catering to students, professionals, families, and even senior communities. It covers things like personal liability protection, guest medical payments, and additional living expenses. MSI focuses on niche markets, providing efficient and tailored solutions. Policies safeguard residents against guest medical expenses and emergency living costs. Their user-friendly, cloud-based platform stands out. Lastly, State Farm, a household name, covers extensive coverage options. Coverage includes things like personal property, accidental property damage, and medical payments to others. Now, here's the game changer. With DoorLoop, integration with top choices like Lemonade and Sure is seamless. All tenants need to do is click on the Insurance tab in their portal and they're set. To learn more, schedule your free demo today and discover everything that DoorLoop has to offer. Click on the link in the description below. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with the link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.